So here's how to, or here's how I created an animated banner using Google Slides. Just a little bit like that other video. So you go to File and you go to Page Setup and you set this up. I prefer to do it in pixels, something like that. I mean, you can play around with that shape to get it just the way you want, but really the process is you take your initial slide, and I've popped a couple of images on there, and this is laborious, but then you just go to you go to Slide, you go to Duplicate Slide, and you copy the slide and you move these very slightly, and then you do the same again, you duplicate slide, and then you move them again very slightly. So, I mean, the smoother the animation, the more slides that you put there. And so I've gone about, this sort of thing takes ages, but you go and you start, just move them very slightly, and what you're going to get in the end is a GIF. So once you're happy with that, and I've got about 50 slides there, and you probably don't. I think the site that I use, you can only have about 50. So the next thing you do is you open something called Tall Tweets. And on there before, you select a presentation, so you click on Presentation, and I've got this animated banner thing here. And then this pops up, and so you've got to adjust these things. I'm going to make this 800 pixels wide. The more pixels, the better definition will be to a certain point, and I think the whole thing starts to glitch. I'm going to change the slide duration to 0.04, and I want all the slides, so I'm not going to do any of that sort of stuff, the sequence of slides, because it will just do them automatically. So I'm going to click Create the GIF. Okay, there it is, and it's just a little bit too crazy busy. So I can slow that down by making it 0.0, maybe 0.1. Let's try that. There we go. It's a bit slower. It's a bit jerky and awkward, but you get the idea. Once you've done that and you're happy enough with what you've got, you can click Save, and it will download. And there you have your GIF that you can use at your leisure.